Hi, my name is Sebastian Compress. This is a Wikipedia assignment for my English 352 class, prepared for Dr. James Lipuma. The topic which we will be discussing is biomass. Within this topic, we're going to have a brief introduction to biomass. We're also going to see the previous state of the article, which was posted in Wikipedia. We're going to see that information to the Wikipedia article, also the correction of leading information that we did to the Wikipedia article, reference and external links that we added, and a conclusion. Biomass is a biological material derived from living or recently living organisms, such as wood, waste, and alcohol fuels. Biomass is commonly plant matter grown to generate electricity or produce heat. Biomass is a great source of energy that improves the ways in which we acquire energy. It helps the world from its dependency in fossil fuels and their effect in the environment. The previous state of the page, we're going to check it out. We have some picture of it in which they have a definition about biomass. They have an environmental impact topic, which they talk about what it does to the environment. I see also part where they have some a reference part, and external links. Within this article, I found out that it has a lack of information about the topic. It has misleading information of was truly biomass. It lacked reliable reference. It lacked external links. In order to correct this article, I added some information with subtopics such as chemical composition, biomass sources, biomass conversion process to use it for energy, which we are going to see in the final product of the article or a little later on. Also, I corrected some misleading information. I changed the definition of biomass. I gave it a more friendly and easy to read definition. Also, I explained more in detail the benefit of biomass, since the previous article had a concept where biomass is a toxic is as toxic as any other fossil fuel. Also, I added some reference such as Biomass Energy Center, in which we have definitions and information about how biomass is being used nowadays. Energy Information Administration. Here we have some statistics about the use of biomass, some definitions, and places where it's currently used. Energy kits. Here we have definition of biomass, also how do we obtain biomass, and the types that we have currently around. Also, I added some external links of Biomass magazine. In this magazine, they have all sorts of information about biomass, how they are acquired, and how has it currently been improved through this period of times. Biomass program, which is a page from the Department of Energy. Here they talk about the program that is currently being used in places such as Florida, in which they are applying the biomass system in the agricultural plantation. They're wasted, they take it and they use it for energy production. Also, after we fix those problems and added those links and information, we're gonna have an improved page. In this page, we can see a newer definition to what is biomass. I changed some information. I quoted where I took this information from. also create a subtopic, chemical composition. Here it talks about what is the chemical composition of the biomass. Also, we have biomass sources. This is what the places where we acquire biomass, such as waste, wood, alcohol fuels. It gives a more true definition of where we acquire those products. Biomass conversion process to use it for energy. This is basically how we convert biomass into heat or electricity. This will be through thermal conversion, chemical conversion, and other type of conversion that are listed there. Uh, this is the environmental impact subtopic that was previous there. Here I give some comments about the things that I fix. Here they says that using biomass as a fuel produces the same air pollution challenges as other fuels. To that I gave an explanation saying that even though this information is taken from research, it is still an inaccurate since the burning of biomass is composed of a carbon cycle that needs to follow correctly in order to take advantage of it. In conclusion, the changes made to the Wikipedia article of biomass were needed due to the lack of information about biomass. The level of useful content was improved with sources that are reliable and trusted. They were from the United States Department of Energy, which is currently using this technology. Also, several subtopics were added, which give confidence to the reader and more information about the topic. Wikipedia is a sea of information that was created with help of improvement such as this one. That is why any major upgrades like this one are helpful and needed. Thank you for hearing me out.